I still can't believe we're doing one of these. Finally. I have wanted one of these forever. If you don't already know what this is, I am 6'4" and 200 pounds, so you'll understand more about why that matters in a moment. And I'm sure I don't need to do an unboxing. Y'all have already seen a bunch of these and what they look like, but it's special to me. We're doing it. Box. It's a box inside a box, ain't it? Hold on, guys. Hopefully the tripod will hold that piece down. Okay. Guys, this is sick. I'm so stoked. I'm gonna have to tear this box apart though. Tell me that's not sick. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm just so amazed. We already know all this, but motorcycle brakes. There's the engine. It already has very little clearance. People put bigger ones on there. A real shock that I hear is useless. These, which are definitely useless. My guys, I'm just so stoked. Looking like these take a 6 in metric. And we'll worry about cable management some other day. Just so everyone's aware, it is starting to rain. And we're on my front porch. Good thing this is all it takes for assembly. Let's get that out of there. Make sure you don't pinch any lines here, guys. I almost did. I mean, no need to strip them out, but it'd be nice to know they're tight, right? Oh, I think we're good.
6 months later.
I love this thing already. This thing is so sweet. Out here with the Psych Plus. If I can remember how to turn it on. Alright. Here we go, people. Too much fun. Again, one of the funnest toys I've ever owned. Oh man, why isn't this thing... Uh-oh. It just cut out. It also just flipped off, though. That is weird. And at the same time, the Psych Plus started working. Huh. This is weird. It keeps turning off. Huh. Maybe because I'm an adult on a child's toy. Alright. Let's hope it doesn't keep doing a bunch of that. Oh. Not a Suron. Yep, definitely not a Suron. But so nimble. It's insane how responsive this thing is. Whoop. Look at that, almost 20. Oh. Sorry, I'm telling y'all, Electro and Co. coming our way. This is normally when I'd honk. Honk, honk. Oh, not enough power. Damn. This is also when I should have had more to say. And to add that for $800, and often cheaper on Amazon than on Razor.com, this is arguably the best legal Class 3 e-bike on the market. Also arguably a child's toy. But stay tuned until the end, and you'll see. Very moddable, honest, awesome platform. Oh, loose gravel. Not this thing's best friend, that's for sure. I'm shocked this thing carries my fat ass stock. I mean, it doesn't do it well, but... well, it does. Just not as fast as we would all obviously like. Don't worry, I know how ridiculous this looks. And I'm loving every second of it. And I'm not stopping. Because if I do, I'm going to run out of momentum. Oh, this thing is not going to make it. Oh, no. No. You can do it. I know you can. Oh, it is not happy with me, folks. Time for some new brakes. New rotors especially. You hear that? That ain't pads or calipers, let me tell you. That noise. Wow, I could have a wheel off. I could have bent a rim or something. Doesn't feel like it. I don't know. We'll find out. I hate the half twist. God, this shit is annoying. Ooh. Ooh, talk about a thumbnail. Not happy, are you? Oh well, we'll go home now. Oh, what is this? Oh. Yep, someone's backyard. We gonna get out of here. Another trail discovered, though. Oh, it ain't gonna make it. It ain't gonna make it. Oh. 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 Man. Ah. Ah. Yo. That's sick. I love this thing so much. And I love y'all. We're approaching 500 subs. Look at that view. I love y'all. This is beautiful. Wow. And we're going 25 on the RSF stock. Ooh-wee. Yep, ain't no way that I'm stopping. Ain't no way. Look at that, 30. Yeah, we're definitely, yeah, I'm sorry guys. YouTube, don't hate me. Don't demonetize me. I'm just enjoying this way too much. Way too much. Time to get home though. This thing is so solid, even over bumps. You see that, people? Look at this! Look at this! For 800 bucks. Would you just look at it? It moves. So this is probably a terrible idea. Want to do it anyway?
Yeah, we're gonna do it anyways. So we tried lots of odd and unique things with this bike, including but not limited to putting pegs on it. Didn't work. You need a longer axle bolt. Something we were successful at was brake sensor removal. Although, this isn't how you do that. Video in the future.
It's been 2 or 3 months now. Probably longer. And the fun and reliability meter, check out. Still full. But I think it's about time we de-sticker this.
Wait a minute. I forgot my manual. Put your stickers on your manual, kids. Just kidding. Put your stickers on your manual, kids. This is the important one for things like recalls or if you ever need to use a warranty.
And pull the plastics off. And the front fender.
Funky looking, all stripped and naked. That's what came off of it. We ended up pulling a lot more screws and bolts off than necessary, but we're learning. And y'all are learning with me.
This thing is so awesome. I can't wait to do more with it. Actually, speaking of such, I'm gonna assume you already know what this is. Maybe if I zoom in on the box, all I can say is stay tuned. Until next time.